sorry for some grass at you.
You are?
Mm-hmm.
I'm glad you're sorry. Look, hold still. Look, watch Jaden.
Okay. Mom, what did that button do?
It deletes the video.
She's doing 24,000 a day.
Hmm?
She's 24,000 a day.
What's she doing?
She's picking up some grass.
What for?
What?
What for?
To throw at Sadie.
There's our dog Max.
Yeah, I know him.
You know him?
Mm-hmm. Let's take a look at Daddy's truck. Actually,
Come here, Jaden. Tell me what you're doing. I'm going to have to go in. Bugs are biting me.
What?
So I'm going to have to go in. Bugs are biting me. Jaden, come tell me what you're doing.
She said she's making some home.
What's that?
They hit the truck. They hit the truck.
What happens when they hit the truck? Come back here.
Huh.
What happens when they hit the truck?
Just get the truck and just get and brush it up.
Come here. What does brushed it up mean?
With your hands.
Oh, with your hands?
Uh-huh.
And then what? And then do this? What were you doing with the grass by Daddy's truck?
Hit it.
You hit the truck with the grass?
Do it like this. Do it like this. How terrible do that? I don't care if I go do that. What do you do with the grass, David? Do it. Then do like this.
Come here, Max. Come here. Sit. Sit. Say hi.